Unemployment is the biggest concern of all in Europe, and at the same time unemployment is of course also the biggest challenge for all politicians, enterprises, all of us, and we need to address the situation with 25 million unemployed people in Europe. I think and I believe that growth is necessary to really fight unemployment and to make sure that there are decent and good jobs for all in Europe. So I will fight to make sure that growth is very high on the political agenda in the European Parliament, but also at all political levels in Europe, because without growth we cannot create the necessary jobs for young people, for all the unemployed people in Europe. So growth is the way forward for me.